Huawei P20 P20 Plus rumors. So these are all the leaks and rumors in one place. So first off, let's talk about its release date. Now they'll be expected to be at MWC this February, so they're most likely to be announced there. I'm pretty sure to be event there. So we're not sure if this will be called the P20. It might be called the P20 P20 Plus. It's gonna be a bit of confusion of what's going to be called, but for now people are speculating that it will be called the P20. So for specs and features, it will most likely be powered by the Kirin 970 chipset, which is produced by Huawei themselves. And it might have facial recognition, like Face ID on what we see on the iPhone 10. So we'd expect some facial recognition biometrics on this device. And for not only that, the camera, from a tweet that Blast put on Twitter, there were some pictures there that said, I don't think that I make pictures. And he also claimed that it will have a 5x hyper zoom and also 40 megapixel cameras with 3 lenses on the rear plus a 24 megapixel selfie camera. Yeah, that's a lot of pixels for a selfie camera. So that is what is expected for that phone. The smaller P20 is expected to have a 5.5 inch to 5.7 inch display and also an octa-core CPU with a Cortex A53 as well, and either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, or might come in both options. And the primary camera will be a triple lens camera, 40 megapixel setup with 5x hyper zoom, which is going to be Leica branded, of course, and up to 256 gigs of storage. I would most likely come with Android Oreo with EMUI skin. The P20 Plus is expected to have a 6-inch display with full HD resolution, and will most likely have a 18:9 aspect ratio. And everything else is basically the same with the camera and so forth. And sources from XDA developers did an examination on the firmware for these phones, and most likely that the P20 Plus might have a notch like the iPhone 10. Yeah, it's gonna take some really good guts to get it back into that notch. Me personally, I'm not sure if I can take another phone with a notch like that. I hope they do it for the notch, and if they do, I hope they do the notch right, and that would make it look so distracting. That's my opinion about it. Move at the back, since there won't be any room at the front because of its aspect ratio. And the price, for pricing, there's no word on pricing, but the price can be expected to be the same as the P10 and P10 Plus, or it might cost an extra 15 euros on release. And so that's it for all the rumors that we have on the Huawei P20 P20 Plus. Tell me what you guys think about these leaks and rumors, and comment your expectations for what Huawei has for the upcoming flagship. And like this video, share it, subscribe for more. See you guys next one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to buy my merch. Link in the description.